So the question was asked, why hire a local lawyer? In other words, what are the benefits to hiring a lawyer who lives near you? Now, the answer to that question is basically there are a lot of advantages to hiring a lawyer who is familiar not only with the accident scene, but also generally how personal injury cases work in your area. So, okay, let's get into more of the specifics. So, a local lawyer is familiar with the accident scene, right? So they're going to know generally where the accident occurred. They're going to be able to look it up. They may have been by the accident scene before. They're going to know the roads. They may have even handled accidents at that same location in the past. Also, the lawyer will be able to more easily contact any type of witnesses in your case. I mean, think about it, if your lawyer is out of the area, what kind of a nightmare that presents. And then lastly, your lawyer is going to be familiar with basically how the police departments investigate the cases, and also how to get accident reports very easily. So there's a real benefit just from the accident portion of the case. Now, the second benefit is to having a local lawyer. Your lawyer is going to know the doctors in the area. So going to know basically who to refer you to, or if you're already treating with someone, probably know that doctor in advance. But that presents really a lot of benefits to you because your lawyer is going to know, okay, these are the doctors that'll treat you well at a fair price and have a good reputation versus the more unscrupulous doctors who are just in it to bill you. So again, if you're talking about an out-of-area lawyer, they're just not going to have that familiarity in order to give you proper advice. Also, if your lawyer knows the doctors and has worked with them in the past, the local lawyer is going to know generally how they bill. So, and when I say how they bill, the example is some doctors will bill less and then agree to accept, for example, dollar for dollar out of your settlement. So say their bill's $1,000 at the end of the day. That's the outstanding medical bill. Your lawyer is going to know, okay, this lawyer or this doctor will require dollar for dollar $1,000 versus maybe another doctor whose bill also is $1,000. Okay, I know that person will agree to reduce his or her bill to say $500. So again, that's a savings to you, and it really helps you anticipate what the dollars are going to be at the end of the case. So another benefit of hiring a local lawyer, again, your local lawyer's going to know the insurance adjusters and probably has worked with those insurance adjusters in the past. The local lawyer is going to know the defense lawyers that are assigned, probably either has worked with them in the past, may have bumped into them at social events, lawyer functions, bar functions. So you get a benefit there because that lawyer's got, again, familiarity with the insurance adjusters and the lawyers and knows what's generally going to happen. Lastly, your local lawyer is going to know better about what a case is worth than an out-of-area lawyer. So again, the local lawyer is going to know the jury pool in the area, going to know if it's a conservative jury pool or maybe a more aggressive jury pool. So we'll be able to advise you properly. So those are just some of the advantages to hiring a local lawyer rather than an out-of-the-area lawyer. And I think it really makes sense when you think about it.